Hi, welcome to Doc's Daily Dose once again. Does your tongue feel suddenly too heavy or short when you try to speak? If you are suddenly stuttering, like you are drunk but you have not touched any drop of alcohol, listen closely, let's talk together. This is a classic warning sign of what we call transient ischemic attack or a mini stroke. It shows that your brain is temporarily starved of oxygen. Yes, it might only last for a few minutes and you might feel better afterward, but don't be fooled. Why? Because this is a warning shot that a major stroke is coming. Now you will ask me, what do? Use the FAST rule. When you see that your face is drooping, or your arm is getting weaker, or your speech is becoming difficult, please, that's the time to call the emergency room. Do not wait. Now you know. Follow Doc's Daily Dose, healing minds and bodies, one fact at a time.